Firstly, What's in My Bag School Edition tayo. Firstly, bond paper. Second, modules. Third, projects. Fourth, next is folder. Next, paper. Notebooks. Ten notebooks. In different colors. Ayusin lang natin. Next is notebook. Rosary notebook. Next is wallet. Balik lang natin ito pa pwede. Next is watercolors. Next is box. Unique box. Next is ID. Next is ball pen. Ball pen na wala. Ayan guys. Next is pencil case. First layer, we have a red ball pen, black ball pen, blue correction tape, yellow eraser, yellow pin. Second layer, scissors, blue scissors, yarn, blue yarn, hook, utensil, hook. Next is paper. Paper na napunit sa aking notebook. Let's keep it. I think this is the last one. Let's have in this pocket.
Tapos ka na, ate?
Apa.
Okay.
Basura at putol na necklace. Next is ano to? Yakult. Beads. Guys, ang ganda ng mga beads. Tapos meron pa siyang takip ng correction tape at kiso. Lagyan natin yung takip ng correction tape. Ayusin lang natin, guys. Next packet. Uy, ang daming packet. Ayan, wala naman yung isang packet. Next is ito. So, zipper na natin to. Yan, familiar. And yes, naka-open na kagad yung zipper. Wala ding laman siya, guys, kasi officially lagayan ito ng mga snack ko, kaya wala laman. So, I think wala nang naman yung bag, mga guys. Ayan. So, bye, familia! Thank you for watching!